nothing I can do. I can never get to you. So I'm looking for a miracle. Like it's somebody to be so beautiful, yeah. It's only a dream.
Hello guys, welcome back to 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠 YouTube channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos. So guys, kama umekuwa ukinifollow for a while, it's my birthday month na decide leo nipe wasee wa hii nyumba na pia my viewers some hint that they get ready for my birthday. Yeah, so let's make this carrot cake together. Tutawapea some recipe on it. You're going to enjoy it because itakuwa soft and moist. Yeah, stay tuned. Here are my ingredients. So this is flour 2 cups and a half, baking powder 1.5 tablespoon, some eggs 5 of them, vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, 1 cup vegetable oil, sugar 1 cup, tablespoon of salt, orange zest 1 tablespoon, and 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Yeah, and my carrots. So we start by cutting the carrots. I'm going to blend the carrots. Yes, so guys, we're going to blend the carrot. So guys, we're done with blending the carrots. Whether you can blend ama pia unaweza grate, any can do. So I'm going to start by mixing the dry ingredients. My flour, I'm going to add this baking powder and my salt. Mix them well. Nizatumia hata spoon pia. You can mix using a spoon. It's not a must to use this whisk. So guys, we're done with mixing the dry ingredients. We go to the next. So I'm going to mix. I'm going to put my eggs. Start with my eggs. I'm going to stir my eggs first. Orange zest, or let me start with sugar. Any can do. After sugar, I'm going to add my orange zest. Next, you're going to add orange juice. Actually, unaweza ziweka tu zote at once, si lazima uende one by one, and then I can also add my vanilla. I'm going to add my vegetable oil. That's my final wet ingredient. So guys, as you can see, it's kind of creamy. It's giving creamy vibe after stirring it. So right now I'm going to add my unga slowly by slowly. Yeah. So guys, after mixing, I'm going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So you add slowly, a portion at a portion. Let me just say so. Slowly to ukikoroga. Get a uniform batter. Yeah, so guys, before nimalizie hapo nimekumbuka sikuwa nime preheat the oven. So ni preheat, so nita set 10 minutes. I preheat for 10 minutes, then at 180 degrees kwa hapo, then the heat tutatumia both sides. Yeah. So turudi hapa, bado nazidi kutengeneza the butter, the cake butter. Hii kitu inasonga songa, so lazima nikuwe na much energy. So guys, the reason why I have not used this, let's say this machine here, ni juu this one itasta bio faster, nitaleta likata tuseme the uniformity itakuwa poa, but nikitumia mkono unga itapewa time ya itakuwa na time yake ya kushikana. Hizo mixtures zitashikana vizuri sana. It's the best. Acha niseme tu hivyo, but unaweza tumia tu mashine yako. Yeah. So next guys, we're going to add our carrots. Kuna at least inapea unga time ya kusettle. Hata niseme sijui nitumie the best word gani, but ni hivyo tu. I'm not a professional, but so guys, I'm done mixing everything. So I have my baking batter here, and this is my baking pan or a tin. So mi nitatumia, I'm going to use olive oil to grease it. Where's in the spoon? So got the brush. guys nimeona mafuta yangu itoshei, ikabidi niongeze kidogo. Decrease it. You can see. Yeah. Let me finish. Usiweke mob sana, just kiasi tu. Just a little. Yes, so guys, it's already heated. So let me put I had it to my baking pan, ready to bake. To know the results. So guys, I'm done adding my butter to my pan, so you can show them. You shake it, I don't know the reason for shaking, but unajua keki ni kama kila kitu ni uniformity, iko at least leveled. We are going to prepare to make our cake. We are baking it, right? For 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Yeah, it's 50. So we wait for our cake to be ready. So guys, we're going to wait for 50 minutes, then our cake will be ready. To see you. Hello guys, so time yetu ishaisha. As you can see, our cake is ready. Maybe it's ready. Tufike hapo tukue disappointed, but I'm 100% sure hatujafail. Hata tuko tushaanza kupika chakula. So acha tuone. Guys, umeiona. So we are going to wait approximately 15 minutes ipoe. Sasa tuonyeshe saa keki yenyewe sasa venye imetokea. So chill. I think I just hold it. Oh, should I hold it? Cause wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. We umeniza pika keki. Nichocheni. Nianze kupika keki sasa mwanze ku place orders, You start placing orders for your birthday cakes and events. Soft, man, it's so soft. Kati sasa waone hapa ndani kuna kadi. How spongy it is. It's spongy. Let me just hold it. Shall I hold up? It's spongy. You see, it's spongy. Do you? So spongy. You see? Tamu. Shikeni. Really tamu. Something spongy. Start placing your orders. Si lazima iwe.
I was eagerly waiting for that.
Wewe sio watu backstage. Sijui tukachevala anja ndio watu ibada. Sio. Na usidanganye. Hai inaanza vibaya kusema inaanza vibaya. Stop.
Smoking water.
How is it? Perfect. Wait. Photographer nataka kwanza uambie hapo backstage.
Hapana. Nimeshiba harufu. Off camera.
Inanibamba juu nasikia tu kufinya tu kila side. Ni sponge hivi tu. Yeah, so guys, we are done with our video. Mkipenda mnaweza suggest next time niwapikie nini ama keki gani, anything you want I can try. To subscribe and share. Yeah. Bye. Using available what?
So
My chill. 10 degrees. Or 10 minutes, sorry.
10.
Sijui kama nime-explain vile inapo, so I think nimestama kidogo.
Okay, tunaweza really
ku-explain hivyo sina hata yani haikatiki. Yani mimi ndio unaseli kunikulisha uniambia happy birthday.
Any birthday inafika hata before day yake.
Hadi na imagine hadi na post.
Mimi na feel itabidi umepika nini?
Nijipikie.